Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Love Me Hair, and this is a short curly unit you absolutely need. Now, as you guys can see, this is a left side part unit. It has the typical combs on the side, one in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. You guys know I always cold wash my curly units. However, I'm in super lazy mode, so I'm only going to co-wash the top portion that I'm showing you guys right here. So after I co-wash the top half of the hair, I did proceed and add some mousse to the hair, as that does help bring out the life of the curls. Now, I did spray the back of the hair using my hairspray with some water just to damp it a little bit. And then I just continued to add some mousse and spread the product throughout the hair. Now, this is a curly unit, and I always do like to add some form of baby hair when it comes to curly units. I just feel like baby hair and curly hair kind of goes together. Most people who have curly hair tend to have some type of baby hair. So you can create some baby hair if you want. This part is definitely optional and up to you. Which I think she kind of cute. Let me press these roots down just a little. Okay guys, y'all already know I'm always team make sure your hair is straight coming up from the roots. Curly hair, no exception. Obviously, I'm not going to straighten the hair, but from the roots, I'm going to make sure that it's straight at the roots. That helps prevent your wig from having any type of wiggish look. If you're a faithful hair, you already know the routine. Wait, let me go get some earrings. Okay, so this is her in her basic state. So basically, you could just throw this wig on. You didn't even have to wash it if you didn't want to. I really could have just used the spritz. And as you saw, I only really washed a little corner of the hair on top. Let me add some concealer. I really don't feel like the concealer was that much needed because the knots are bleached really nicely. And although I don't have a ball cap on underneath, it didn't look bad at all. I think I want to diffuse the side just a little bit to give it a little bit more volume. Okay, so I am going to diffuse this hair just a little bit just to bring out some volume. And this is how she's looking, guys. This is the first look of many, so make sure you stay tuned. She real simple. She is real simple. All y'all have to do is cut the lace on this one. I do, however, want to try a couple of styles to see what styling options I have. Even though it is a closer unit, I do think that there's still different ways you can style it. So let's go ahead and see. Now, even though this is a left side part and it's not much lace, I am not going to let that get in the way of me trying to style this hair how I like. So as you guys can see, for the first style, I am adding a little bit of twist. I added a little bit more baby hairs to the front of the unit just to give it more of a style. And I actually really like this look. I think this one is really cute. Even though I really didn't do much but add the twist, I feel like it gave me a different type of a look. You guys let me know what y'all think. So for the next style, all I'm going to do is just take that part that I made the flat twist with, and I'm just going to comb it back. So I'm going to have more of a hair to the back situation. Now, I can't do it all the way around because this lace on this unit is only 6 inches along the perimeter. So I am limited in that aspect. However, I do think that this look is kind of cute as well. Moving on to the next look. Now, all I'm going to do is straighten that curve from that side part, and I'm going to shift the unit over. Now, I am re-wetting this hair just a little bit just to give it more, make it a little bit more easy to manage. And this is just to kind of give you guys an idea. So this can be worn in a middle part, even though it is a left side part lace. And another way you can style this unit is also by adding some flat twists to the front. You can do that. I'm just barely doing it, but you can do it on both sides, and I think that would be a cute look as well. Back to having the hair to the back. Okay, personally, I'm not really a bang person, so I think that when my hair is worn to the back and off of my face, it flatters my face a little bit more. Now, this lace is very limited because it is like a T left part. However, as you guys can see, you can still wear it with the hair to the back. You can still get your style off and it still looks cute, in my opinion. Now, of course, I can't have curly hair without giving you guys a wet look. So real quickly, this is what it will look like if it's wet. You can wear it with the side part, or you can wear it to the back. Okay, fast forward next day. So I decided I wanted to define the curls on this unit a little bit more. You guys know I've showed you a easy way to define the curls is just to add some conditioner with water and spray the unit with that, and then just take your finger and twirl the hair around your finger, and this is going to really define the curls, and in my opinion it gives it a totally different look. So this is what it looked like after I did those finger curls, and as you guys can see, it looks different. Let me know which way you guys prefer. If you prefer the straight out the box with just mousse, or if you prefer how it look with some finger curls. Real quickly, I am going to show you guys what this hair looked like from the back. I only did the top portion. You guys already know this is the lazy girl method. Okay, if you want to define the curls on the entire unit, you can. And I'm just running my hand through this unit just to kind of loosen up those curls a bit, because when you do the finger curls, it does curl the hair very tightly. So if you prefer a defined but looser look, all you have to do is just kind of run your hands through the unit, pull some of the curls out with your fingers. You know, just don't be afraid to style your hair, right? Make it yours. Play around with it. See what looks good on you. Just because something looks good on me doesn't mean it'll look good on you, and vice versa. I think that this unit is a perfect unit, especially because the weather's heating up, guys. Y'all need a short wig in your arsenal. This is undebatable. Y'all can't be rocking no 30-inch bust downs when it's 90 and 100 degrees out, okay? You are going to be sweating bullets. But as you can see, this unit is really easy to maneuver and is glueless, and zero skill is needed. Guys, if I have a coupon code, I'm going to put it across the screen. If not, everything is going to be linked in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, y'all know I'm going to need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful Fam, hit that subscribe button on your way out. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out this video. You might find it useful as well. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.